Today's set is about the red, the black, the green. Yes, Black History Month is every single month of my life. Every single month. Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and we're just going to get right into it. I've already done acrylic nails with a peel-off base coat from Born Pretty and a custom mix acrylic. Yes, I think I did all right. But anyway, so I'm going to go in here with some of this Born Pretty base gel and get things started. In this particular set, it's very simple. I mean, very, very simple. I just went off the top of my head and started painting. So if you want to follow along, you can. Or if you want to recreate this, you can as well. If you do, make sure you tag me. Yes, let me know. Because this is one of my most favorite sets so far. It really is. Why? Because it's me. It is me. It is me. Black and proud. Okay, so I had to do a set to represent that using the colors red, black, and green. Now the red I'm using here, this is from Nail Reserve, and it is called Red Addict, and I mean it is a red's red. It is perfect for my complexion and any other complexion. The green I'm using is from Nail Reserve as well, and this one is called Electric Green. It's the only green I had that was close to a basic green, but this is a green with a pop, so I really liked it extra because of that. And the black is from Madam Glam. And when I say this is the perfect black, this is the perfect black. Now, one thing about black though, one thing about this black gel polish, you do have to be careful with how long you cure it. I ended up curing it for almost 2 minutes until I was like, okay, look, we're not going to have no wrinkling or anything else going on like that. If you know, you know. So anyway, with my thumb, I wanted to incorporate all three colors, and so that's what I'm doing here. I took out my Beetles painting brushes because I wanted to just make sure I have this as perfect as possible using 3 different colors. And what I did after each color, I did go ahead and flash cure it real quick just so it wouldn't move, and then when I was done, I went ahead and cured the full nail. This one I ended up doing a little bit longer because that black is on there, and I did not want any rippling or wrinkling or anything because it just takes longer to cure. So yeah, this one I don't know, it probably had a total of 2 minutes curing time. But for all of the designs on the nail, once I go in with one color, or on my right hand, when I get to the dots, I make sure I cure, flash cure before I do a full 60 seconds. What else can I tell you? Oh, the white that I use. The whitest white that I have, this one it's from Madam Glam, and it is called Riverwalk. With all the brands I use, Born Pretty, Nail Reserve, and Madam Glam, I have discount codes for each one of those companies. So if you scroll down in the description box underneath this video, you will find discount codes. You will find my direct referral link directly into all of those sites. And I would, if I were you, just go ahead and, use my discount code, use my affiliate link. If you do that, you do support me. So I really do appreciate that. Doing these videos take time. I'm not getting paid for this. My channel is not monetized. So when you guys go ahead and click on those links, that is a great way to support me, so I'm able to hopefully, earn enough to put back into this channel. Also, what you'll find is my link for my Amazon storefront. Yes, I have an Amazon storefront. I do have a particular section within my Amazon storefront that's labeled nail supplies. You will find most of the items I have ever purchased from Amazon that I use on my nails and use on a regular basis as well, including the tips that I use. So if you're ever wondering, okay, what kinds of things that do Olena use on her nails, always that Amazon storefront's always available to you to check out as well. Just had to put that out there because I think a lot of you guys forgot, so I had to remind you. So anyway, yeah, so I am going to, I think that's really all I have to let you guys know. I wanted this nail set to be original. I really, the middle nail is something I've seen the design so many times on Pinterest. I'm like, you know what, I can do that. It's pretty easy as long as I just, just do the line. So, that may be something you may want to try. And the pinky is just a combination of all the colors I used. I did not use a blooming gel at all. I just as you will find out, I just placed dots of the different colors and just swirl them around a little bit. And then when I liked where I was at, then we just top coated it. So I did not use any blooming gel whatsoever. I do like a good marble. And there's so many different ways to do it. So that's what I decided to do to, bring all the nails together. My right hand, I was not going to do originally, but I was like, you know what? This red is popping too much. So I decided to put the red on there. And of course, add black and green dots across the nail. So anyway, I am going to be quiet. I hope you guys enjoy this video. My nails, these were really quick. I almost did not record just because I didn't have, I did these, the acrylic nails underneath. I did them kind of thin. I don't have much of an apex. I did use a peel off top coat, which let me tell you, actually worked because some of these popped off before I was even done. So I had to go back and glue them back on. So I was like, oh, it don't look the cleanest around the cuticles, but I did want to record this design, so I hope you enjoy. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. That lets more people know that I am out here on these YouTube streets still practicing nails as the nail enthusiast I am. Share this with someone, I think this would be a great idea. And if you want to go ahead and add this to your Pinterest board, please go ahead and do that. This is pretty. It's beautiful. And in my opinion, you can wear this design all year round. Okay. Leave me a comment and turn on your notifications. Okay. So other than that, I'll let you guys just watch, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hold me like your lover, treat me like no other. Inside street or undercover, it's love enough forever. Handle me, not to have your jelly. Destiny is on the lead. Money tonight I no go free. No money, no money. I thought you rest with me. Jelly, yeah. Baby, oh, my baby, oh, na daddy, oh, my baby, oh, baby, oh, my baby, say my baby, oh, my baby, say my baby, handle me, destiny is on the lead, and tonight I don't agree, I thought you thought me, handle me, destiny is on the lead, and tonight I don't agree, hold me like your lover, treat me like no other. Inside street door undercover. It's loving now forever. They say, oh, oh, my baby, oh, 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 na daddy, oh, 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 my baby, oh, 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 baby, oh, oh, my baby, oh, oh, say my baby, oh, 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 my baby, oh, oh, say my baby, oh. Hand me, oh, hand me. Destiny is on the lead. Normally, oh, normally. Jejely, oh, jejely, yeah. Hold me like your lover. Treat me like no other. Inside street door undercover. It's loving now forever. Baby, oh, 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 my baby, oh, 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 na daddy, oh, 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 my baby, oh, 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 baby, oh, oh, my baby, oh, oh, say my baby, oh, 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 my baby, oh, oh, say my baby, oh. It's for somebody special, yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't believe it's so. Yeah. 20 nights been so. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah. Girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah. Cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know. Ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. Give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Nah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. Cannot deny it's a ghost. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness, man, no be boss. See, Oluwa don't bless me, not true, no be ghost right. If they say I didn't listen, babe, you're the one that I'm missing, girl, and my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, get me back to you. Oh, nah, yeah, to get me back to you. Hold me like your lover. Treat me like no other. Inside street door undercover. It's loving now forever. Oh, oh, oh. Hand me, oh, hand me. Not to have your jelly. Destiny is on the lead. Money tonight, I know go green. Normally, oh, normally. I thought you rest with me. Jelly, oh, jelly, yeah. Baby, oh, 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 my baby. street or undercover. This love ain't not forever. They say, oh, oh, my baby, oh, 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 na daddy, oh, 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 my baby, oh, 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 baby, oh, oh, my baby, oh, oh, say my baby, oh, 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 my baby, oh, oh, say my baby, oh. Handle me, oh, handle me. Destiny is on the lead. Normally, oh, normally. Jejely, oh, jejely, yeah, yeah. Hold me like your lover. Treat me like no other. Inside street or undercover. This love ain't not forever. Baby, oh, 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 my baby, oh, 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 na daddy, oh, 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 my baby, oh, 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 baby, oh, oh, my baby, oh, oh, say my baby, oh, 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 my baby, oh, oh, say my baby, oh. It's for somebody special, yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't believe it's so. Yeah. 20 nights been so. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah. Girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah. Cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know. Ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. Give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Nah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. Cannot deny it's a ghost. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness. My no be boss. See Oluwa don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost right. If they say I didn't listen, babe, you're the one that I'm missing, girl. And my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, nah, yeah, get me back to you.